We're at Unwrapped Pantry. My name's Yvonne and today we're going to do a vegan cheese making workshop. The ones I'm doing today are all simple. You do need a good blender. But apart from that, yeah, it's pretty easy. Part of my motivation, like A, they're vegan cheese, and B, it helps cut down on waste. You just need the right ingredients. Agar-agar is what sets the hard cheese. It starts off as like a dip, but then if you refrigerate it, it's like a soft cheese. And then a parmesan, which is just basically blending some nuts and seeds together to make the parmesan. With the cashew dip / soft cheese, we've definitely found that it goes much better with some herbs. So I guess you could just use your imagination, really.